Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again. Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
How are you? How are you doing? We have audio. Have we got some audio? Let's see if we got some audio. How are you? We have some audio. Let's see if we have a live update. I don't think we do, but we'll have a look. This browser doesn't show you a live update. So I don't know if I'm talking to myself or not. So we'll have to see. We shall have to see. We shall certainly have to see. Well, it seems to be working, so we'll leave it at that. Okay. So, it's a bit noisy today, the radios are both on. Oh, my arm's ache. I think I've got tennis elbow. I've done something to my arm this week. It hurts when I do that, so don't do that. Right. Anyway, so I've had another idea. I'm thinking about how I'm going to cut. You can't see. So, welcome to the 39 Sulphur DC foil die cutting tool from Stanley Blades. I've told you everything I'm going to do, so there's really no need to watch. I've given it all away at the start, never mind. Anyway, alright, so it's now a week later almost, and I've got a box of bits. Let's see if I can pick it up. There's a box full of bits. Right, anyway, I've been slowly hammering away at it, and I ended up with these, which they've got to be coated one side with the tin foil, which is okay. I can split it open, split the foil open, and then with a cloth just emboss it on, press it on, and then I have to go and trim 8 times on each one. And there's a lot of them. I don't want to do that. Life's too short. So anyway, so I have an idea. So my first, I'll start thinking about the PCB again, getting a PCB made. But anyway, we didn't go down that route. So then I thought about what else I think about. Yeah, I thought about getting. You can order hexagon shapes off Amazon. Die cutters. They come in different sizes, and you'd have to just choose one that was roughly the right size. And put it through an embossing machine. So then you'd have to put your tape, your roller tape. Can't lift it. So I'd have to put the roller tape, and I'd chop it probably, chop it up, and put it through an embossing machine, just to get the square on it. Then I thought about lasering it, Apparently I might be able to laser this thin aluminium. I've got to worry about the adhesive material. Anyway, and there's that. Then I thought about, if I was going to do the lasering, I'd have to make a reel holder for this. And a roller down it. So a roller stands it up so you can pull it, feed it down under a roller and across a flat, then up around another roller. And it'd have to appear flat underneath, on top of the laser bed. Then you'd have to laser it and you'd just keep winding it on. Anyway, so that was an idea, but I haven't quite got my laser set up from when I built it last time. It's operational, but needs all plumbing in and all sorts of stuff. And I've got to do it at some point, but I've been putting it off. Anyway, so then I thought, what about if I just make a tool, something you can fit in your hand. I haven't got anything to hand, no pun intended. So basically, the blade, I make it out of Stanley blades in the same shape as this. I'd have to overlap, put one blade up like that, you have to overlap, and the other one has to come in there, and repeat it all the way around. So what I've got to do is I've got to model, I'd have to model a Stanley blade. Now, I have modelled one in the past, so I've made myself a drag blade, but I can't find the model. I can't find the model anymore, I don't think. So, anyway, we're going to have to model a Stanley blade first off. Let's just do that then. Okay, let's model. He's a bit loud, isn't he?
Sorry, Victor Echo 3 again?
Let's turn him down a bit. That's 15 meters, 21,265. Anyone wants to tune in? Very powerful signals today. Anyway, right. So let's get over to this. So, in order to make what I'm after, I need to just have a look at this design. So it's going to be the same for the top and the bottom. Alright, let's just go into that. So I thought, when I'm trimming it by hand, I was trimming it by hand. I trimmed it by hand, and doesn't matter how careful you are, you still get a little bit of foil showing. Tiny bit of foil just showing. You could keep on trimming it, but I don't want to damage the plastic with a Stanley blade. So anyway, it just folds over. So I think I don't need it to come all the way to the edge. See? Oh, I suppose I better show you this as well while you're on. Alright, here we go. So here's the thing I built last one. It's based on this microphone clamp, and it turned out like that in the end. So you just clip it on, and it holds on the desk, and then you can switch it. But it does still sway too much. I mean, it's okay. It's probably okay actually, but I don't know if I like it. So later on in the stream, I might want to modify that, and we might have to undo 2 fixings and fasten it. Change those to screws, longer screws, and fasten it on. But anyway, it does work, but I'm not sure how good it is. So it's one of them. So anyway, I'll leave that for now. So what I need to do is go back onto this. Now you can see these pads are where the SO239s. Hang on, I'm going to have to come out that. Let's take some stuff off so we can see what's going on. I've renamed it cover lid. Yeah, I've redone it all. Well, there's the SO239. So basically, that's your shield ground from within. Hang on, let's take this cover off. If I can find it. There it is, shell upper. Yeah, so these act as the frame ground, Faraday, whatever you want to call it, for the edges, and the lids have to operate as the frame ground for the top and bottom. Now, at the minute, I'm on my lid. I'm cutting the foil all the way up to. If I can find the lid again, where's the lid? Here you go. I'm cutting it all the way up to the edge here. Obviously, you don't need to go that far, so I'm thinking to keep it neat, if I arrange my blades in this hexagon shape, just in a bit, not a lot, just 1 million, sort of like a pullback. So when I stick it over, it's going to look neat. It's going to cover it all, and it's not going to stick out the sides at all. Yeah. Okay. And we still have to push the screws through. Actually, it would be nice. See, pushing the screws through, it actually retains the screws. So, because you have to push it through the foil. The foil acts as a little retainer, so you can take the lid off without them all dropping all over the place. So I quite like that, but I don't like the idea of having to push it through. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to design myself some kind of hand tool. I'm not sure if it'll even work, but it should do. I've got loads of new blades. So to start with, I need to model a blade. So we'll end up with something like this as a tool that we can slot Stanley blades into, that holds it into the octagon shape just right, and they've got a self level and all that kind of stuff, so it's got to be quite accurate. It's got to fit the blade just right. So anyway, we need a blade. Now, I did make a blade and I just can't find it. I'll have one more look. Yeah, let's have one more look. One more look for it to save designing it, otherwise I've got to design it again. So I've already done this once. It's just finding it, that's the problem. It's been a while since I did the DIY Stanley blades, going back about 6 or 7 years. And if you don't know what I'm on about, I can show you. Let me show you.
November 0, Juliet November 59K.
Oh, it's going to dock you, is it? Hang on. Right, so just put half geek in there. Right, so let's go back to. Well, it's not a live stream. It's where is it? It's actually one of my first videos going back. Hang on. What's this? Hang on, I've got to get onto the channel first. Right, video. It says I'm live. Who'd have thought? Here it is. So I designed. Oh, you got an advert. Hang on. Let's get rid of the advert a minute. Adverts. Right, here we go. Right. Let me just give you that better quality. A second. Right. So what I did is on my CNC, I was cutting out a cardboard box. So I was too tight-fisted to buy a box. Oh no, I wasn't actually, because I ended up buying them anyway. But I used to make my own box because I wanted an exact fitting box for my product. I got one somewhere. Anyway, so this thing, I designed this tool here out of aluminium. I milled it out that holds the Stanley blade. In order to do that, I had to design the Stanley blade, model it. So somewhere I've got the model. Now I was just finding it. Well, this one, it actually cuts out this cardboard box that you can fold it. The quality is poor on it, but yeah, what can you do? It's old. Number 2, DPJ blog #2. Yeah. So it's back in 2014 or 15. This is. Right. Anyway, let's get rid of that. So somewhere I've got one. It's a drag blade, but I can't find it. Unless you can see it with me. Right, I got SketchUp. I can't see anything to do with drag blades. It's a DIY drag blade, but I don't know what I called it. It's probably just some weird file. I probably didn't even give it a name. And I can't find it. Can't you... hang on, I might be able to view these as thumbnails. Let's do that. Let's view it as a large thumbnail. Yeah. So we can have a look through and see if we can see... Is that the largest? It does. Extra large. Right, let's have a look. Somewhere, if you see a blade or a design of a... If you see a design of that drag blade... I didn't always used to... If it was just a quick thing, I didn't name it. I've designed a lot of stuff over the years. Just not seeing a drag blade. Drag blade, where are you gone? So it's not there. What about down on the storage? Right, let's do that again. Extra large icons. So it might be somewhere else. I'm trying to look everywhere at once. Everywhere at once. Isn't that a Stanley Kubrick film or something? Nowhere and everywhere at once. I don't know what it was.
Sorry, one more time, your prefix.
I'm not seeing it. It's got to be here somewhere.
November 7, Delta Romeo, 59 kilowatt.
DIY drag blade. Stanley blade. What's that? A guitar mount?
Okay, thank you very much. Bed conditions in the time. Thank you.
Oh yeah, just to make some guitar holders as well. I bought all the bits for that, and I didn't bother to make any. I made myself some, and that was it. Shame. Come on, last chance saloon. Let's see. Oh, some CNC stuff. Clamps. Oh, getting closer. Come on, you can do it.
NICIQ 59K. Thank you, Echo 70 Tango.
I might have to design it from scratch by the looks of it.
Thank you, Echo 70 Tango.
That's a shame, isn't it? Oh well, never mind. I'll never be able to find it. It's got to be on here somewhere. Anyway, we'll just create a new one. Right, so we're going to create a new one. Let's do it then. Let's just save this. Okay, let's get ourselves a layer. And it's going to be called... Call the whole thing what it is. It's a die cutter. Die cutter tool. That's the main title. Then you got to have under that die cutter, and it's a Stanley blade. Stanley blade. Okay, so we've got a couple of layers. So what I need now is a Stanley blade. What did I do with it? Load on there. Where's it gone? It's funny that, isn't it? It's disappeared, that Stanley blade has. How could it disappear? You ask. Oh, did I never put it away? I left it out. There it is. So I've got a load of them here for cheap ones. Oh, they are actually Stanley blades. Can you believe it? It's actually got stamped on it, Stanley. Or is it something else? Oh, it'll give us the size. So let's start off with a square. Let's just start off with a square. So we'll start off from above. Yeah. Alright. How do I do this then? With a steel rule. Go on then. So I want the... Put my hand flush. That looks like it's 59.5 mil. Let's just say it's 60 mil. Looks slightly less to me. 60 mil by... Okay, we'll say it's 59.5 by... right, let's say it's 19 mil. Right, so 19 by 59.5. I always do that. Right, so 59, hang on, 59.5 by 19 mil. There we go. Doesn't matter which one I start with, I always end up with the opposite to what I'm after at the start. Right, so there's your size. So I've got a slight pull back on the blade, so let's build that into it. I'd say it's 2.25. Right, here we go. 2.25. So we'll have a line there. That's the blade. Then we want the centre. We could do with the centre. So we want to... We've got to create all this because we've got to make our carrier around it. So we need to come in. It looks like 13.5 mil. Is that right? Or is it 14? No, it's not. It's 14. Is it? It's close to 13.5. 14.5. Right, let's just say it's 14.25, let's say, from each end. 14.25. And we want the middle, so we can get the middle easy, like that. And I've got to work out the size of this. Right, so we're looking at 24.5. 24.5. 24.5. And we want our middle bit, which looks like it's 22.5. 27.5. 27.5 that way. 27.5 that way. Okay, and then we want... Right, so that, and the depth, now we want the depth.
Echo 70 Tango, Echo 70 Tango contest.
What do you want to spend your weekend doing contests?
Tango, Echo 70 Tango contest.
I'd say that's for 4.25. 4.25. Okay, we've got a sharp bit that comes right down from the edge, so we could do a line from there to there.
Thank you, Ohio. Good luck. Good morning, Echo 70 Tango. CQ contest, Echo 70 Tango.
Echo 7.
70 Tango contest.
Echo 70 Tango.
Contest, Echo 70 Tango.
Do you
Echo
copy?
70
Echo
Tango
70 Tango.
6 uniform.
Somebody left me a message the other day on an old video. And they said, could you speak up and stop mumbling?
Kilo Charlie 6
Yeah.
uniform.
Try to.
Something, India again.
It is a live stream, it's not, you know. Anyway, right.
Okay, uniform X-ray India. Thank
So I
you
can get
for
rid of
the
that one.
kilowatt.
That one.
Yeah, what's your state?
And I leave that one. I can get rid of the middle one.
Alpha Zero Tanks, Echo 70
Right, let's have a look again. So that's the start of it. That's the whole.
Kilo Oscar again.
That looks too wide. Why does that look too wide?
Kilo Oscar.
4.5. Let me just check that out.
Mike 7 Oscar Bravo Lima, Mike 9 Juliet Zulu India.
Yeah, it's definitely too wide.
K3 Kilo
So
Oscar,
why
thank
is
you
it
for
too
my
wide?
name.
That's the question. I made a mistake. Must have done.
Thank you, Echo 70 Tango.
Well, that is. I'll tell you what. Let's use the calipers.
India, Mike 7.
Let's use the calipers. If I can remember where I put them. There they are.
70 Tango contest.
Oh dear.
Echo 70 Tango.
So,
Echo 70 Tango
I've got
contest.
tennis elbow, so it hurt my hand.
You're coming to a really nice spot.
Right,
No one
let's just
came
measure
back to you,
this.
but yeah, I'll get into the radio in about half an hour. I just gotta finish my
Right, so you've got
But I always
3.34.
monitor this frequency back
3.3. So between there and there, it should be 3.3. It's not.
Oscar Bravo Lima returning.
So
No problem.
it will be if I move
Crack on
that
with your
over.
launch, my friend, and yeah, I'll put a call on
And if
it.
I move this
Thanks
one
for the return.
over by
Mike
0.3.
7 Oscar Bravo Lima. Back to you.
And what have I got now? Is it still too much? 3.9.
Bravo Lima, Mike 9 Juliet Zulu India. Yeah, my friend. Well, we'll catch up with it with you a bit
2.8.
in like 20 minutes. Say
2.8. So I've got something wrong somewhere.
Juliet Zulu India.
What have I got wrong? Yeah, the angle's not quite right. Ah,
Good luck, Echo 70 Tango.
yeah. Who'd have thought that the blade is tapered off? Yeah, the blade is tapered off a bit. Right, so if I measure from there to there, this is a nightmare. I've already done this one somewhere. 10.9, 11 mil. So according to that, it's 11 millimeters from there to there. Well, that looks right. So, yeah, 10.5, that's right. So what's not right about it then? 3.4, 3.35. Ugh, tired now. Already? 3.3. Well, I don't get it. Don't quite get it. The middle bit is wider than the edge too. It's not good at all, is it, this? How can I measure that accurately? 2.75. That's supposed to be 2.75. It's not. That's a lot over. That's 1 point. So let's just move that over by 0.5 to start with. Move this one over by 0.5. What have we got now? 2.9. So we've got 2.75. And in between we've got 3.37. So 3.37, that's too much. So anyway, we'll knock this back a bit. Right, what have we got now? 3.3. Okay, so I don't know In my hands, I'm measuring the actual thing, and that looks more like it actually. Right, anyway, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, right, let's do the cutting out. So we've got a curve on it. It's whatever that is. So whatever the width of that is, 3.3. So I need to go 3.3. I need to do a half of 3.3, 1.53. Oh God, I'm no good at maths. Hang on. I've had a bad week. mental strain. 3.3 divided by 2, 165. 1.65. Right, so if I go from there, nope, from there to there, and push it down to there, and one from there to there, and push it down to there, and draw a line up, just like that. I don't think there's any bevel on it, it's just a straight cut. Yeah. It's just a straight cut out. Right, okay, so we can just move that out of there, get rid of all this junk. Anyway, I still haven't built any, but I've been printing them off all week. I've been printing all the bits to make 10 off all week. But I've got to a point where I don't want to sit there trimming this foil. So I thought I'm going to make this tool, I think. Right, so I need the thickness of this blade now to make the carrier. Right. 0.6. So it's going to have a bit of tolerance. I'm not going to sit there trying to force the blade in. So let's say 0.6. That's a lot to. How am I going to do that? Differentiate the gap. 0.6. Okay, we'll say it's 0.75 then. 0.75 thick, so let's make it 0.75 thick. Okay, I suppose we better give it a blade. We better give it a blade. Can we give it a blade? Should be able to do. So we've got 0.75. We need the calculator again, because my brain is fried. 0.75 divided by 2, 0.375. So if I move that down in the down direction, 0.375. And if we move this one up by 0.375, we've got a blade, have we? Do we have a blade? No, almost. Almost have a blade. Now we have a blade. So we'll take that off there. And we've made ourselves a Stanley blade. Wow.
Whiskey Alpha 6 kilo again.
Well, wow.
Kilo Sierra Kilo 5K.
And I suppose we better colour it the right colour. Metal, a metal blade. Let's colour it metal. Don't know what colour. Metal corrugated. Metal aluminium anodised. Metal rough. Metal seamed. Rusted brush stainless. What's that like? Is that a blade? Is that a Stanley blade? Ah, it's not quite right, is it? What about this? Is that better? Okay, maybe if we have one of them on there. What's that like? Yeah, that's a bit like a Stanley blade. Needs to be brighter here, I think. Yeah, that's... Oh, hang on, is that even better? Yeah, that's the one. That's the Stanley blade. Where's it gone? Come back, Stanley blade. You haven't finished with you. Okay, is that good? No, it's not quite good enough. Not good enough for our standards. So, I've now got myself a Stanley blade, again, after losing where I saved it from to last time. Yeah. Alright, let's just do the last bit. Is that it? Okay, we've got a Stanley blade. Very good. We've got no text on it, so we don't know whose Stanley blade this is. It's supposed to be Stanley, but does it matter? No. We won't bother putting the name. Made in where? Made in... don't know. Stanley, it's American, isn't it? Anyway, that'll do. So we've got ourselves a Stanley blade. Give or take a few fractions of a millimetre either way. Right, let's make it into components. We need to have it upright. So we're going to have to flip it upright. Oh, we're upside down. Let's get right way back up again.
Shall I locate a new frequency?
Yes, please do. Go right ahead. You locate a new frequency. So we'll base it off this. No, that's not the one. There we go. That's the one. We want to grab it, highlight it, and we want to rotate it. Hello, it's I'm in Liverpool. Can I have some chicken and a can of Coke? Right. I love the accent. Right. So we've got one blade. So what I need to do now is probably do something like have an extra, yeah, I need an extra lid. So if I bring the lid back, right, so if I get the lid, copy it. Oh, hang on, that's more than the lid. Copy it. Paste it in place, then lift it up. Lift it up 100 mil. Oh, that's quite a lot. Okay. Tell you what, let's bring it down 50 mil. Right. And we need it the other way up, so we can see where the blades have got to go. So we'll flip it along the blue axis, like that. And what we'll do is we'll bring the blade up. Leave the blade be, sir. This is not your quarrel. Right, so I'm just lining it up there. It's not going to go there, I'm just lining it up. Now I've got to work out. Honestly, I can't chop the blade down to the right size, so I'm going to have to go round in a fan type of thing. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll just bring it in. I don't want to go right to the edge, I want to pull it back slightly, so I want to bring this over. 1 mil? Is 1 mil enough? Yeah, let's say 1 mil.
I have located
Right.
a frequency
And we know we're
would you be okay going to 433?
we know we're on the corner.
575?
Okay, we're already on the corner. Let me just we're on the corner. Let's just make sure. Yeah, we're on the corner. So this will only work with new blades, obviously. So what I've got to do now is duplicate that blade. So I've got to copy that, copy, paste in place, and I've got to rotate it around here. So we're going to rotate it. Now this is where it's going to be a bit awkward. I need it at 45 degrees. And I need to paste it in place and rotate it again. Keep making them. Rotate it 90 degrees. Paste in place. Got to do this 8 times. 135 degrees. Paste in place. 180 degrees. Paste in place. Let's go this way. 45 degrees. Paste in place.
Thanks very much for that.
I can't say we're not original here.
Within the week, I've passed my
90 degrees.
Outside of the repeaters, I thought I would,
Paste in place.
see if I can make contact. But yeah, I appreciate
This might not even work. 135 degrees. So we've now got all our blades. I wonder if you can get banned off YouTube for talking about blades. So that's there. Oh yeah, because that's lined up with that way, but it needs to be pulled back that way. Right, let's see what we've created. Yes, so feasibly, yes, this could be made, because the excess could be pushed out. I can't be cutting Stanley blades down.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure speaking with you. I'll add you to my logbook in QLZ, so feel free to look me up.
Anyway, it looks a bit like Edward Scissorhands. So we're in the right point, but we've got to draw back the blade slightly. Now, it's a good job that the blade end is pointed, because it'll go under this bit. Now I've got to literally find out the distance between there and there, because luckily that's a known amount. 0.414. So I've got to move that over. 0.414. Right, and I've got to go around the back of it. Back of the blade and have a look. Yes, that's okay. So far so good. Right, now I've got to do the same again. Now this is not easy, because it's going to want to go. Let me just make sure it is 414. It should be. Yep. At least that makes it easy. It's all the same. I'm going to grab that, and I've got to go this way, but I need to use this as a reference. 414. That's okay. It showed me 414 and it kept it pink. Right, so far so good. Right, now we need the same again here. Same again. Let's find someone else just to listen to. Contest? Can't you talk about something interesting?
What's your state again, over?
Oh, that sounded interesting.
The secure
Countess, India, Oscar 5 Oscar.
Oh, maybe not.
Bravo 5 Nancy, 59500.
Right, so we need to move that over there across this axis. It just happens to be on the green axis, so that's fine. So we're getting there slowly. And you can see where we're going with this, because I need to make some plastic to fit around all this. Now, it's a bit of a ball ache, but bit of a ball ache to say the least. But at least we'll have a go at making it. 3D print it, and it'll save me messing around. Oh, I'm losing my concentration now.
Thank you, India, Oscar 5 Oscar. With a November 5, Nancy 5.
Yeah, that was okay. Keep going. We're almost there.
Nancy 5, Oscar Hotel Lima.
Let's do a quick save.
Oscar Kilo, QSL, thank you, India, Oscar 5 Oscar. Victor Yankee 2 Alpha November.
Yeah, so I've got to make this easy to do, because I'm tired after working all week. Very tired. So it's got to be easy and quick. That's the problem I got. I don't have time for any of this really, but you know, what can you do? Anyway, right. And it looks like we only get new subscribers when I do a live stream, during a live stream, but when there's nothing, like all last week, never got one more new subscriber. So if you, I don't ask for subscribers, but I just look at the analytics to try and work out what is going on. So I went through the process of trying to do a 10-minute highlight of this video series. 10-minute, and YouTube's got some new feature where it'll tell you what you need to do, and it'll scan your video series and it'll give you all the highlights. So, but it won't go ahead and compile the video for you. You've still got to do it yourself. Anyway, that's the last one there. So these blades are in exactly the right place now. So what we're going to have to do now, let's just save that. I think I'll, because they're in the right place, I'll just grab them and make them, group them together so they don't move for any reason. And I'll group that and that together. And I'll put that on the what did I call it? Can't find it. Here it is, die cutter tool. And then I'll put that on the I'll put all these on the Stanley blade layer. Die cut to deal Stanley blade. There we go. That's it. They're all die cut to steel Stanley blades. Oh, we've got this as well. Right. Let's make a new layer. Die cutter. And this is the, what do we say it is? The lid, the template lid. Lid, template, it's just a copy of the lid. Template, there we go. So we'll put that in die cutter lid template. There we go. If we go into it, Yeah, that's fine. Right, so we've got that. Now we need some plastic to go around it. And we're going to need a keep, a shoe to go around it so we don't cut ourselves to ribbons when we're not using it. So we need some plastic around this. And for the plastic we'll need to know the sizes. So it needs to be in the order it is in. So at least it can be made like this, and I'm hoping once this is all slotted into plastic and it's designed for these blades, I can just push the plastic down over top of the tape onto a cutting mat and end up with a cut out piece. We'll disregard the holes because the screws will push through and the foil will hold the screw in. This is the only bit we can't do. There's no way we can get blades around that. Although we could cut a square. Doesn't have to be round, does it? Be nice if it was round. But I don't mind one little thing. I'm not going to sit there and put loads of blades all the way around, thousands of them, to get a round circle. So that one we'll have to leave and just create once we've cut it out and stuck it down, we'll use the plastic to emboss by pressing it against it, and we'll have to do that bit manually, which is a bit of a shame. Bit of a shame that, but anyway, it is what it is. Either that, or we could try this method. We might do both, or we could just go down the PCB route, get a PCB made, and now we'll be able to use the silk screen as legend as well. This way we'd have to create a legend. Oh, I've had an idea as well. 2-colour print, 3D print with a legend. So if I don't think I'll get time to get this done and that, but we can create a legend. I've already done it. Let me show you what I think I've already showed you. I think I've already showed you. I made this keypad, and it was printed in grey and red, and the red is just sat on top, raised, so it's like embossed. It comes out okay. Obviously those are bigger characters, but I can go smaller, so we could do a legend on it. That's what I want to try as well. I've got tennis elbow, so my arm's killing all the way down here, all the way down there. It doesn't hurt until I try to do something like that, or I try to pick something up like a mouse. I'm okay until I rotate it. It's not pain, it's more of an ache. But I can lift stuff with it. I lifted a great big generator into the back of the van. Took it back to storage. So I've got pain in there. Anyway, so I don't know what it is. I've ChatGPT'd the doctor with it, and it says I've got tennis elbow, whatever that is. Right. Anyway, so where do we get to? Yeah, so I need basically all them held in place. So what I have to do, I suppose, is create some surface first. So if I can measure, I'll need a diameter enough to cover these blades up. So if I look from above and go in parallel projection, I should be able to measure from this tip to that tip. So 116, let's say 125 mil. So let's create something like that. 125 mil, so 60.25, is it? 62.5. Right, and that should give me
QSZ.
125 mil, so I'll just about cover it and cover the blades.
My Whiskey Tango, my Whiskey Tango.
Okay, so we've got that. It needs to be a certain thickness.
Victor America 3, my Whiskey Tango, 59500.
So let's give it some thickness. It's got to be able to sustain some pressure.
India Oscar 5 Oscar.
So I don't. Oof, my arm went then. Or it went to do that.
Whiskey 9, Mike
Feel my arm go.
59500.
Right, so I think it needs to be quite thick, at least as thick as this. Yeah, so say 5 mil thick. So let's say 5 mil thick.
With the number 0 Victor Juliet, what you call?
Right, 5 mil thick. And
WIDJ 59500.
let's make it into something.
Charlie Oscar, thank you. India Oscar 5 Oscar.
Right, no, that's not quite got it all.
Kilo Hotel Florida, what you
Make
call?
sure I haven't got nothing else, yeah. So we'll create
Kilo 2 Charlie Florida.
a
59500.
component.
November Yankee, thank you. India
Okay,
Oscar
we need
5
to
Oscar.
lift it up. So it needs to come up.
Station with the
I
radio,
don't
station
know
with the
how
radio.
far yet. Doesn't matter. Say 50 mil.
Again.
Right. Now we've got our plate. Let's go back into perspective. So we've got our yeah. So what we need now is the framework of these up there. So this is where we get a bit of a pain going on.
Thank you, India Oscar 5 Oscar.
So I need basically all this.
Charlie Oscar.
Actually, I can get it easier if I
Roger,
do.
Nancy 5 Charlie Oscar 59500.
Yeah, we need all that. Probably just that bit there for now.
Again, Nancy 5 Charlie Oscar.
Right, so copy that. I have to come out of here.
Roger, Nancy 5 Charlie
Paste it
Oscar.
in
Kilo,
place.
you're 59500. Thank you.
And we need to move it up
Thank you. The Kilo 2 Whiskey
to
Kilo 59500. Thank you, India Oscar
the
5 Oscar.
surface.
The KB Zero, Kilo Bravo Zero. Go ahead.
Yep, that's that one. Now we need to do the same again, all the way around. Unfortunately, I don't know a good way of doing it. So just need that geometry really.
Victor Alpha.
I could do one and then, yeah, I could do one and rotate it.
Nancy 2 Papa
But
Papa,
it's almost the same as doing it this way.
Thank you, India Oscar 5 Oscar.
Right, paste it in place.
Nancy Victor 4 Tango 59500.
Let's lift it up to the surface.
Thanks, India Oscar
There we
5
go.
Oscar.
Yeah, see, it's just as easy this way.
November Whiskey 2 Papa.
So we've got to go do this
November
another
Whiskey
6
Papa,
times.
59500.
Let's find someone else.
73 Italy Oscar.
Let's try and find someone talking. Having a conversation at least. If it's at all possible to find someone actually talking. Contest.
Radio 59500.
5-9 contest. It's great. If you're contesting, if you're the one doing the contest, it's okay if you want to get through to someone, but just to listen to while you're doing something else.
Victor Papa November, Yankee Oscar 5 Victor. Oscar Hotel 950 Yankee contest. 59500.
It's all full of contest.
500. Ciao, Italy Oscar 6 Tango.
I was that close to buying it, a Yaesu FT891 the other day for going on up the mountains, Pota. The price of them, for another £100 you can buy another FT710. It's got the tuner and 100 watts anyway. Oh, my arm's aching holding it up there. Oh, it's killing. Yeah, it's just too high up there, isn't it, really? I have to have my radio up there out of the way because I need the desk clear. Anyway.
Thank you. Echo Whiskey 4, Mike.
I wonder why people go between the channels. Well, they go off frequency. I have to keep, because it steps 1 meg at a time, I think. Anyway, let's forget about that. Oh, my arm. Right. Oh, I forgot where I got to now. I think I got to there. Yeah. Copy. Paste in place and shoot it up to the top of there. Yeah. Keep going round. Obviously, I'm trying to create a receptacle with this to push the blades into. What you should really probably get if you've got some of that cardboard making tooling, blade tooling. If you go to a cardboard manufacturer, they'll make you a template. They charge you about 150 quid, and then they keep it and they make you the box you want, but they charge you for the tooling. But anyway, I need my own tool here so I can keep making. Well, I just don't want to trim. I could spend all my time trimming the ones I got now, I suppose, but I'd rather do it a better way. Right, so keep going round in a circle, more repetitive. Yeah, I like to create stuff. I'm not really one for sitting building masses, loads of it. Well, I have done, but my main project, I should be working on my main project really. I shouldn't be doing this, but anyway. I see in the UK they've put the confirmation statement back up again. It used to be £13 a year for years, then last year it was 39 quid. Now they've put it to 50 quid. Is there no end to these rises? It's alright, but it's in constant research and development, doesn't earn any money. Everything comes out of my day job wages. And I thought about shutting it down, but you know, and you've gone past the point of no return, where it's farther to go back than it's to go back to the beginning. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't even want it to earn any money. It's not. I don't get it. I don't know what to do with it. Should pack it up maybe. Oh, I don't know. I've had loads of stuff printed now. I've got mountains of stuff printed. If you pack it up, your business cards are gone, your brochures are gone, your inserts are gone, your website's defunct. So you end up with nothing. So you just keep it going. Oh, what happened? Hang on. Undo. Paste. Right. Try and keep concentration going here. Ah, dear. Where's it gone? Oh, it's there. I just couldn't see it. Right, we're not far away.
listening.
You're listening. I'm listening to you listening, mate. Try saying something else. You never know. Someone might answer you. I'm listening. Well, if you're listening, you obviously don't want no one to talk to you. If you're just listening. Is that right? Oh yeah, that's right. Anyway, we seem to have got them all on there. So all I'm going to have to do is disappear this for a minute. Die cutter tool. Let's disappear the die cutter tool for a minute. and the main unit. So we then can work on this thing. So we've got the top of the blade only. I suppose we could bring the blades down. Leave the blade be, sir. This is not your quarrel. Did not hear me, McGregor. Did not say you for whether your land is forfeit to me against your debt. Till that is settled, I'll have you lodged in the toll booth. My father spent 2 years in a jail for no other reason than the will of good men like yourself. I will not go there, sir. Take him into custody, Archibald. You have my commission on it. No, nothing, or I'll cut his throat. Oh, shouldn't even say that. I'm just quoting. I'm just quoting. Don't ban me for that. I'm just quoting. It's not me. I'm quoting. Anyway. Right. I don't think they'll ban me. I don't make anything out of this. They make money out of it, out of me. I don't make a penny. I'm not in a position to earn anything. I haven't got enough of the things required to earn any money from YouTube, but I don't care. Don't care a little bit. Putting lots of work into stuff is no guarantee of anything. I've learnt that lesson in my business and in this live streaming. Just got to be, is it luck? No? Or more hard work. Quit the day job, that'll do it. So you can spend all your time on stuff. That's the only probably way. Anyway, I need to get the blades here so I can model around it. I think, yeah I do. So let's bring back the blades. Bring back the blade. Bring back the blade. So we've got a set of blades there. I just need the blades, so I'll have to copy them. Oh, what's it done now? What have I done now? Undo, close, undo, open. Oh, that was weird, wasn't it? Copy. Paste in place. Right, didn't do it that time. Right, so I need to move this down to the surface. Go on, do it, don't glitch, do it. That's it. Right, I need to hide this one now. So, hide the cutter tools. Has this got a name? No, thank God. Thank the God. Right, now this is yeah, very strange looking, but so I've got the cutout. So what I need to do now is I have no idea. Turn these blades into geometry. Right, where do I start? So I need to sink them into something. I need to, yeah. What I need is these ends now. Yeah, I need to extend them. They've got to be extended out. Not on this bit, up the top. Ah, I know what to do. I've got the perfect idea. Intersect the faces with the model, and then it'll automatically generate the geometry for me. That's it. That's the idea. So all I need to do is make sure it covers it. Now, obviously, we want to be able to keep our 5mm. Plus, we don't want to go all. We don't want blades sticking out. We only want a tiny bit, enough sticking out to penetrate the label, which is hardly anything. So, yeah. So I need to work out the height. I can do that if I go like this and just go down to the surface. Well, we already know it's 19mm from when we made it. So it's 19mm, so I need to extend this by 19mm. Right, and that'll give us exactly the blades but we don't want the blades flush, we want them sticking out a bit. So I'm now going to come back a little bit. Now, how far? Half a mil? Let's just say half a mil. 0.5 of a mil. And then we should have blades sticking out. Oh yes, we have a blade sticking out. And what I need to do now is, yeah. Oh, no. We can't intersect the faces with the model. We need some bigger blades. We can't have exact sizes, because I'm going to have a right game to push those in there. So, if I make the blades bigger, they've got to be bigger by a certain amount. Yeah. Oh, it's all gone dead. Where has he gone? Alright, let's try a different frequency. Let's try 20 meters. I don't know what's going on 40. I've got an oscillation going on of noise. Yeah, can you hear it? It's like a... Don't know what that is. It's strange. It's had it for a few weeks like that. Contests. Shame, what a shame. Shame, it's just contests.
Charlie Zulu, CQ USA. Tokyo 9, Charlie Zulu, CQ USA.
Oh, my arm's aching.
Charlie Zulu, contest.
Right, let's get back to this.
Tokyo 9, Canada Zulu, CQ USA.
Right, so what do I want here now?
Again, Papa?
Yeah, so I need to... What do I do? Alter the blade, maybe. Yeah.
Alpha Bravo, Papa?
Wants to be tight in there, but not too tight. It's like, how can I can't force them in.
Bravo Golf Papa, Roger.
I need to give them a clearance. Right, if I made them more unique. Nah. Tell you what. Shit, I don't know what to do now. Tell you what. Right.
Bravo Charlie, QSL, good luck, thank you so much.
So I've got them all spread out in the right order. But I need to make them bigger. Why didn't I design that bigger to start with? Oh, I wouldn't be able to get it all lined up properly if I did that. Right. Tell you what, let's explode them. Explode. Let's explode them all. Explode. Right, so they're all exploded. We need to grab them all. Hang on, make sure we grab them all. Oh, that's alright, it's still in there, isn't it? So I can just grab that. Right, cut that and paste it in place and then explode it. Right, then I want it intersect the faces with the model. Now this might have a devastating effect. Or it might not. Right, so we've intersected the face of the model. Now we've still got all the blades in place. It's a bit of a problem because I don't want the blades, I want the intersections. Because can I intersect a component without exploding it? Never tried that. Let's backtrack a little bit. Undo intersect. Undo explode. Undo paste. Undo open. Undo cut. Undo close. Undo open. Undo close. Undo explode. Undo explode. Right, that's them all back again. Okay, so we're back to this. If I grab that, right, so if I cut that and go into this and paste it in place, can I intersect the faces with the model? Maybe, don't know. Right, I need to turn off the blades. Right, so now, what have I done now? Oh, it's in there, isn't it? So I've got to go into it. Can I? Oh yeah, I can still get them. So they're only a copy of what I had. Let's just bring them out of the way a minute. Let's take them up 50 mil. Right, what have I done here? Have I managed to... Well, I've got some lines. Yeah, I've got lines, but I've only got the surface lines. I haven't got the... Actually, I've got the top lines and the bottom ones are already there. Oh, so it has left the bottom ones. Or are they my originals? Hang on. Are they... Right, so they're... Okay, so there's my originals, which I no longer need. Let's just grab them out of the way, so I should be able to select them and delete them. So we've got the geometry we want, we've just got to join it all up now. Join it up. Yeah, so we wanted our geometry to push our blades in. So we've got our geometry, so we should be able to join it up. So, do we need this one? Layer 0. So we've got blades there, and we've also got... Oh, we've turned them off, haven't we? Do we need them again? Hang on. Right, so yeah, we've still got our blades. Original blades are there, so I guess we could just get rid of them. Let's get rid of them, now we've made use of them. I'll probably need them again in a bit, but... I'll tell you what, let's just give it a layer, so get rid of them. Where is it? Die cutter, Stanley die cutter tool. Let's put it there, that's it. Right, so now we can just go into this in 3D and join it up. In theory. Ah, we haven't got all the covers. Right, it's a bit of a problem. So if I join that up with that,
standing by for any calls, thank you.
And that up with that. Okay, and then that up with that. So why am I doing this when I could just put the blades there? I could just put the blades there, couldn't I? Because I've taken them away. Why am I drawing this out again?
Okay, Jim. Thanks very much for answering the call.
Right, let's go
My
back.
name is John. I'm located at the city of Chester. And a very good afternoon to you.
Okay, so they're back. Right, so we've got them back. So if I come out and select, we don't need them anymore, so I've got rid of them. So we're back to this bit. Now, all I've got to do is leave them there. Explode them in place.
Very close to Lovely Safari Park.
Yeah, explode them in place. So let's do that. Wow, what's happened here? Oh, so I've still got the... hang on. Let's see if I can bring that up a bit. Yeah, I've still got that geometry, we don't want it. We don't want that geometry, so I'm going to have to go back again. Undo, close, undo, open, undo, erase. Undo, close, undo, open, undo, close. Undo, intersect. Undo, paste. Redo, paste. Right. Pretty cold. We're on 10.1 degrees outside. Grey sky.
Just
need to get rid of those again. Right, go back to square one, let's save it.
Nice days last week as well, wasn't there? I thought that was the beginning of all the good weather, but we never have it good for too long, do we, over here? So, going through
oh, tired now.
repeater.
Right, it'd be nice to get this because then I can just stamp these things out of the foil. Right, so we've got them in there. So there's the geometry. We just need to incorporate that into there. Right, that's it. So we need to explode them. Explode them in there. So we've got that and that. Oh no, they're still individuals. They're still individuals, so we need to explode them all. Right, so now we've got geometry. Geometry inside geometry. Right, so what we need to do now is hollow it out. Keep the rest, but hollow it out. Now, the problem I've got now is... if I'd have lowered this down to there... No, it wouldn't have got wide enough, would it? So, what I need to do now is to bring them up to the roof. Need to come up like that, up to the roof. Yeah, that's awkward. That is awkward. Let's come out of X-ray mode a minute. So we've got this thing with the blades in it, but I need to hollow it out. I need to hollow it out where the blades are. There need to be cavities that can push these blades in. Almost got them. So, but they are exact size. That's not too bad, because if I can get them in, they might just stick out a little bit more than I want them. or I'll have to go around each one, and what I should have done is made the blades slightly bigger to start with, slightly thicker, and slightly wider. I didn't think of that at the time. I don't think these will go in. They might do. Maybe they will. Or maybe they'll just fit. Yeah, I don't know. It might do. There's a lot of plastic to print here though. But it should fill it with infill. And then double layer either side of the... Yeah, should be enough to hold them still. Okay, I suppose we could try it, but I might have to smack them in with an hammer. So if I print that out now, it's not going to be any good, is it? What happens if I lower the lid? Can I just literally go down lower? I can. So if I go, literally go down to there, they stick out, but then you've got the geometry that's sticking out. Yeah. So all I've got to do is go around and put a slash across there. Let's try that. So put a slash across there. That wasn't right, was it? Let's come out of X-ray mode. So I just put a little line across there. And a little line across there.
I swap them around from time to time. There's three main ones I use, which is the Kenwood TS2000s I'm on now.
Keep going.
The next one,
oh, that's no good.
Over from last week is the
well, it is. It might be alright. Just means it's sticking out a lot further than I wanted it to. But yeah, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
And the other one's the Icon 756 Pro 2.
Doesn't matter.
So between the three of them, you know, I swap around.
The Stanley blade is accurately made, and they just go ever tapering down into it, so they'll fit. They'll go in as far as they will.
So yeah, had them all a long time, you know, they work well.
Is that the last? Yeah, that's the last there. Now the problem is I've got to get to this bit as well.
Mike 3HNL from Mike 7VIF.
Right, this is entirely experimental because I've never done it before, and it's experimental. I'm just going to see if we can create this thing. If we can get the 3D print on the go. It might take a while to print it, but might be able to make a template out of it. I should just laser cut this really. I'm too lazy to finish my laser off. Plumb it all in, get the airline on it, and cut these labels out with like that. So anyway, if this does it, I can stay off having to get my laser ready for a while. Stay off for a bit, because that's a whole lot of work in itself, and that needs documenting probably. More wiring and stuff, there's a lot of work to go in that bit. Right, so we're back to there, I think we're at the start again. Yeah, so we've got it all in place. So what I need now then is to take the surface off. So I need to delete
Now,
can I delete that now?
Absolute bargain, Jim.
Should be able to.
Okay, alright buddy, 7 HNL from Mike 7
Yeah, can delete it. So we've got the hole for the blade to sit in, and we've even got the geometry the blade sits over. So I've just got the edges to sort out, so let's do. It's a bit noisy in here, isn't it, with all these radios on at once. Never mind. Give someone something to listen to, so listen to me. It's a bit like sideband. You can have as many people talking. Due to the nature of the sideband, the audio gets mixed in. They don't get obliterated, they get mixed in together. Amazing. Just like an audio mixer. Almost exactly the same. Mixing waveforms. Filling in the missing parts. Missing gap or lacuna. Right, okay. So I've just got some ears left. Bits of ears. Now the blade is not going to drop in any further than that, so okay, so we'll just take it at that. I'll get rid of the ears next. So all ears will have to be disappeared, and we'll do that by going into parallel and like this. We seem to be upside down. Yes, we are. Doesn't matter. Now I should be able to delete that. Just leave the cavities. Yeah. So we're now ready to make. Right, so we've got now, let's have a look here, X-ray. Yeah, so we've got, they look like blades, but they're really walls. They're just walls now. Yeah. And I wonder if this will even be able to detect these. This is crazy. Actually, I could widen them a bit now. I could go in and pull the walls back a tiny bit. Now I've got rid of the funny taper. Now I've got to be so careful. Yeah, so I think, should I leave it in place? It'd be a shame if it was just too tight after printing it, it won't fit in. I don't know. Anyway, this does not make a rubber stamp, so it'll need something on it. It'll need to be printed flat. I think I'll just print it. I can press on it. Let's do it. Is it a waste of plastic? Maybe. Or shall I give these a tiny bit of clearance each? Or will that just make them drop out? Tell you what, let's just print one, I don't care. Right, let's just get it back to something visible. So we've got, let's see what it comes out like in Bamboo Studio. So let's export it. Let's try it. Okay, so this is the 7-band antenna switcher, and this is going to be the, let's just go with the same naming regime. So this is the, what did I call this one? The die cutter stamp. Stanley die cutter. Stanley blade holder. That'll do. Stanley diode cutter, die cutter, Stanley blade holder. That'll do. Alright, okay, let's bring it up into Bamboo Studio. Bamboo Studio. Right, let's go file new. Oh, we're already on a file new. Import. Let's find it. Die cutter. And see what it makes of this. Auto orientate. Yeah, it's orientated. It's got the cuts. Oh, it hasn't complained. It hasn't said there's non-manifold edges. So I can visually think about this, and I think I'll have a tight to get the blades in, but you want them tight so they don't move. So if it turns out that way, I'll have to print the whole thing again. Anyway, let's give it a different colour. We don't want to use that. What colour shall we use? Black, a bit of black instead of white. Yeah, why not? A bit of black instead of white. Slice the plate. Slice is okay. 1 hour 52. Oh, hang on. Let's just have a look at something. Come out of advanced a minute. Strength. We're at 15%. Yeah, that should be enough for this. 15%. Support. Others. Do you want a brim? I don't think we need a brim. No, we don't need no brim. So all that is good. Let's just come out of that. Let's go back and slice it again. Oh, it's already done it. Right, we're going to print the plate then. Right, here we go. Don't need no auto bed leveling, although we will give it auto bed leveling. Right, so we're going to print it in black ABS. This might all be a waste of time, but I suppose I could melt them in. Let's see if I have to make another one and open them up slightly. Andy, how you doing? Long time no see. Okay. I was just thinking about you the other day, wondering how I'm going to get one of these things over to you. I know the best way of doing it. Any ideas? Some people put one on eBay as like a private sale. Don't buy. They say don't anyone buy it. Put it on, and for whatever it is, like a penny or something, just or pound, just to get it through to you, and you can get it through the mail and all the rest. I don't know, and I don't have to know where it's. Well, I'll end up knowing anyway. But anyway, so I need to sort something out with you there. But anyway, let's just carry on with this for a while. Yeah, I'm just making this cutter. What it's for is to get these. I've got a load of these. There's 20 odd of these. 20 odd of these, so there's 2 for each one. And I don't really want to sit here with a tape, with the foil, pushing it on, and you know what I mean, and trimming it with the blade all 8 times. I'd have to go around with a Stanley blade and trim, press it all on, trim, and they'd still stick out the side very slightly. So, oh, you're on QRZ, okay, nice one. I'll sort you out. Oh, what is your call? I need your call sign. How do I get your call sign? Unless I just put a search by name on there. Yeah, I would have to have a look on. I don't know if it can search by name. Might be able to name and location. I'll have to give that a try. Yeah. Yeah. So let me know if you want it. If you want it already built or in bits. I don't mind either way. Probably better if it's already built. Oh, 2E0. Oh, okay. DE. DE. What's DE? D. What's DE? DE 2E0 REE. Right, I better write that down. Hang on, let's get a pen. Yeah, I could get one of these lots. I'm going to build 12 altogether because I've got 2 lots. So I end up with 12. It's fine, bit of paper. Got everything but paper in here to write on. Why haven't I got nothing to write on? Right, so right on the back of this. Right on the back of this box. Going to E0 REE. Yeah, so I was going to do a live stream of me building these and saying who wants code, you know, in it. But I ended up trying to print all this stuff out, all the bits to make the 10. I don't believe how much you need to make 10. It's crazy. Anyway, so the next stumbling block was doing the work on that. So I want to make a stamp. I can stamp out the foil and just put it over, place it over like a label, and then it's got the 1mm pull back so it doesn't stick out the edges. Because when I was making mine, I found trying to trim it round, it always leaves a little bit of foil. If we look at this, you can just about see some foil. See the foil, even though I trimmed it, because the blade sort of folds it over, even though it doesn't look too bad. But if I have the pull back, there's no need for it to stick out at all. Yeah. I sorted out the braid problem. I've even looked at some earth strap, but they're too big. So I've got some ideas on the I've took one apart. So I've took the lid off the bottom, and I've you can see it in motion. You can see what's happening with the braid. So I reckon if I get another piece of braid and put like a little sling, a hoop, and solder it round, so when it starts to expand, the hoop just keeps it towards the spindle by retaining it against the other bit, and it sort of keeps it in the middle. I even looked at a brass spring off a door handle, which was the right size off an old brass door handle, but it would give a spring action. It was try and push it back to where it came from. So it's got to not be a spring, if you know what I mean. But anyway, right, let's have a look at this then. Yeah, it'd be great to get these out in people's hands to have a play along. Right, anyway, so what's this doing now? Auto bed levelling. Yeah, so that's going to take a couple of hours to print, that is. Bloody hell. Yeah, so I'll get this over to you. I'll get it boxed up pretty much how it is now. I'll do you the stepper motor add-on as well. I can't supply the stepper motor, but I'll give you the plastics. You can get these on Amazon, unless you got one off an old 3D printer like I've done. NEMA 17 they are. Oh yeah, that's just starting printing it. So we'll leave that to carry on for a bit. I just want to make sure it doesn't lift off the floor. If it does the first couple of layers, it'll be fine. Can let it get on with it then. It's clever how it's going to make enough space for that blade, just a tiny bit of blade. It probably won't be able to get them in, but if I have to warm the blades up, heat them up with a hot air gun, and then push them in, I'll do that. But I have to warm them all up in one go. I don't know, maybe I'll have to go in the oven. Unless I can just slide them in. Yeah, so I'll send you a spacer and the key, so you just screw it onto, you know, keep it if you wanted to go this way around as well. I'll give you the SO239s, you can have them. No worries. I'll save you and all the other bits to make it up. Well, I'll probably build it up for you anyway. Once I've got this stamp working, I can go to work on it. Be alright. Do you do any microcontroller stuff, Andy? I wonder. I can't remember whether you program your own stuff up. Just use it for manual for now. See if it works manually. Looks alright up here, this thing does. So there's the thing I made on the last stream. Off its microphone bracket. I'm going to change this because it's working, but I want it to be more secure, so I'm going to make it so it's got little arms that go out to the screws. You have to put slightly longer screws in. Although they probably might reach anyway. So it goes like that, and you can just switch it. I mean, you can have all the cables off it anyway when it's on your shelf, so you can have all the cables hanging off it. So most of those cables will be holding it in place anyway, so it'll be hanging in place anyway. This is just to stop it, you know, flowing in the wind. So anyway, yeah, it's just an idea. Don't know. Yeah. Ah, big, yeah. You'll have to. I've got to put a link into the Facebook group. So when you get it, take a photograph of it. Ah, we haven't for years worked on micro projects. Ah, okay. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no problem. Well, I've got a lot to do on the interface software, so I'm a bit way off with that anyway. Apart from this boilerplate code that you can't do nothing with other than run it locally, or we need to do it across the web line. So that's enough. Once the physical thing is all working, and once that's done with, I can get on with the web interface side of it, which I've already done, but I've got to put all the boilerplate stepper motor stuff, build it into the existing software. I'll just put it into my main project, because as soon as I fork off it, yeah, I'll fork off it and make that a stripped down version that just does the stepper motor bit. Yeah, I could do that. Depends if someone wants to modify it. If I just give them the binary, or whether they make it code available so they can modify it. They have to put it back to where they found it, and any updates push it back to me, so everyone can get updated. Yeah. That'd be a nice thing if somebody worked on the software and made it better and said, here it is, here's a better one. Yeah, that'll be. Trouble is, it's such a niche thing that you can't get people interested. You know, it's difficult. 1 hour 49, that's not too bad. I haven't been on all week, so other than printing this stuff out, which takes time, I haven't really been a bit exhausted from it, basically. You know, what's it called? When you've had enough of it. You've had enough of it for a while. Yeah. I lose once I've created something, I've solved a problem. The mundane stuff of building it doesn't actually interest me a great deal. That's the problem I got. If I've got to add something to it, I'll get excited about it again and carry on. But if what I need is a junior to say, right, now you build that. You know, once I've built one or two, I've proved the concept. I don't need to waste my time on it. But you know what I mean? It's one of them. But trying to get people. I mean, you know, everyone's got their own thing going on. You can't expect people to. I don't know. It's one of them. Oh, well, this is printing away. That's going to take a while. So, what else did I say we were going to do? Let's have a look. Right, self-adhesive foil die cutting tool with Stanley Blades. So, yeah, did that. Now also I said, what else did I say? If time, also redesign the shelf clamp. Yeah. So we could redesign the shelf clamp then. So I set up a Facebook group. Let's just have a look at that. If I can, without doxing myself. I haven't really put any info on it or nothing. I don't know what I've done with it. Have I linked to anything? Hang on. I can't find it. Oh, groups. Oh, that's it. I've just called it myself, haven't I? Yeah. Yeah, so set up a Facebook group. Half Greek Geek G7UIV. One member, that's me. So on here, you could do with, I could put in, here is a link to the latest live stream. Right, okay. So I haven't really done much with it. Welcome to the home of printed items, whatever. About such public. So if this is where we should put pictures and stuff really. If anyone's got any pictures or trials or anything, whatever, just put some info on there. I haven't done the banner's just a default one, so that's not really any good. I should edit that really. What should I put up instead? I haven't really got anything to put up there at the minute, so anyway. Thought I'd just show you that. Oh, I should get myself a shandy in a bit, as soon as it's Saturday night in a minute, Saturday evening. Oh yeah, let's go over to... Right, so we've got that. We're going to see if we can make this stamp out of that. Now what I'll have to do is... Actually I could put the blades back in now, couldn't I? Let's put the blades back in. Oh, they're already there. No, they're not. Oh. Hang on. Oh, is that bad? Or I don't know if that's good or bad. Right, let me just examine some in a minute. I might have made a big mistake here. Right, let's just have a look here. Oh no, they're all the way through, look. Yeah, so the holes are all the way through. So I'd only just cut this top lid out then, but now we're okay. It's created the geometry to hold the blades, so we're fine. We're fine on that. Share the link in the chat. Okay. Good idea. Glad someone else is watching. My brain is fried at the end of a week of work, I swear it. Especially the weekend. Right, let's open that back up again. Right. Groups. Oh, there it is. Right, it's not much of a link, it's more... Hang on, how do you share this? Share. Share. Copy the link. Right, okay. Right. Okay. Paste. What's that done? Right, so there's not really a name on it. I don't know why. Maybe I've got to rename the number, but that's the link. Here is the link to the official I can't spell official today. Official FB group for the project. There you go. Okay. Right. Yeah, so I'll have to get a few pictures. I'll take some snapshots and upload them with the bracket and stuff. But the trouble is I'm changing the bracket. Changing it. So my blades are gone. Oh, there's the blades. Oh, I've actually edited the blades, haven't I? That's weird, that is. Hang on, switch the blades off. View it in X-ray mode. So, that's weird. I don't know how I managed to get geometry out of that then. It seemed to have took it all with it, hasn't it? Unless, hang on, unless they're editable. Yeah, they were exploded, that's why. Okay, so I've done that, that's great for exporting it, but what I need now is the die tool, those blades. I need them dropping down into there. So how do I do that? I've got to grab by the corner, push them down into there like that. Right, let's tuck the lid with it, that's okay. Right, so now we've got the blades sticking out. We don't really need that anymore, although we could leave it there. Template, we can hide the template. So there's your form, like your cutter to cut out the octagon. It won't cut out the centre there. So it's going to have to be visually eyed up and placed over it. But at least it saves me trimming round 8 sides. And we've got this great big lump of plastic that holds them all, and you just put some pressure on it and hopefully it'll pierce through the aluminium foil. Hopefully. If I was really clever, I would have made a little piece of round. Oh no, it's just a bit of foil at that stage, isn't it? This doesn't... I wonder if this could be used for pressing it on as well. No, we'll just do it like a label, seal it on, peel it, put it on, square it up by eye, and then just rub it with a cloth, microfiber cloth, to get it to sit down. So main unit back on. Right, so I need to disappear this for a bit. Right, so that's in layer 0, isn't it? That needs to be die cutter tool.
that normally uses that. My apologies. Technical issues.
Okay.
As soon as I can get it working, I will do. Anyway, back to you.
That's it. That's disappeared. So now we need to work on the mic holder. So what I fancy we'll do is extend this one to, actually it's this one behind that needs extending. Is there a gap there? No, that's okay. So this washer, it's a pushing washer, needs extending to the lug. Or do we leave it as it is? Yeah, it's able to fall off, so I think we can either bring this up to here, or we can come out to the side. So it'll be this piece here, which is this insert. So we'd have to create that. Yeah. Okay. That's a step thing. It's got a step in it, so it goes around the centre shaft. So it goes around the centre shaft. That peg just pushes it in. Yeah, this idea of the peg isn't strong enough on its own. So we could do without that. But it does hold this bit in. I don't know. It's an awkward one. It's an awkward one, that is. Bit of an awkward one. So it needs to be flush with this. And I don't know if that's quite. Yeah, it is sort of flush. So we could extend it up to around here. So the pin just locates it, keeps this on, and then I haven't modelled the bracket. So there's your mic. That's effectively your mic that goes into the V. And that pin is the only thing holding it in. And I can't really make this a part of this because it has to print downwards. Prints the other way around. So so the pin actually holds it in. But it does work, but I just feel better if it was fastened. So let's have another look at it. I've made three renditions of this. I've thrown them away. So 3 renditions of this this plastic. So you've got that. So it's only held in with a pin like that, but it does hold it enough. If you knocked it, it might come out. So if I can just pull it out like that. Look. Can I? It's not coming out today. My arm's gone. It's got pain in my arm. Why isn't it coming out? What is going on? That's stuck in. Oh, I think I printed another one out that just went in enough to hold it in. Yeah, not sure. Yeah, not sure about that. That's strange. Right, yeah. Yeah, it's just that bit of a wobbly. I don't know. Is it something or nothing? I thought about fastening the top to the top screw so it would stop it, hold it a bit more secure. I don't know. I don't know. So I got one in here. I've got all these switches and no aerials to switch them to. Yeah. No, summer's coming now, so I can pull up some long wires. Does anyone know how I can make a receive antenna fit? How I can send my one SO239 output on the back of my radio and make it have one for transmit and one for receive? Is there an automatic solution? Maybe that's our next project. So it needs to be able to detect RF and immediately switch to the correct thing. They already exist, I know they do. I don't know, but it needs... My radio doesn't have a receive antenna. Anyway, I think what we'll do, I'll leave the bracket. Yeah, I'm going to leave the bracket, because what I'm going to do is do the label, the 3D printed part of the lid. Yeah, that's a better idea. So we'll leave the mic holder for a bit. So it seems to be okay. Seems to be all right as it is. So. Right. So go back to this one. That's printing away okay. So if I go prepare. If I go over to here and bring up this system here, save changes, yeah. Although I probably don't need another one if it works. Anyway, so I should bring that onto here eventually. So this is the array of stuff, including everything, apart from the cutter. I won't add it to there yet because I don't know if it'll work. I need to make sure if it'll work first. So what I need to do is go on to one of these. I need to leave them as they are because they'll be the bases. So I'll create a new. Let's create a new plate, and we'll import. Can I clone that? Clone. Oh, to put it there, isn't that clever? Because I've got that one selected. It's push it over there. That's great. I like that bit of software. That's nice. Well thought out bit of software. Right. Anyway, so this is going to be our lid. So it doesn't matter that I've printed 20 of them, because it means I'll have 20 bases. Another 10 bases ready. So if I print another 10 of these, but this time put a legend on it. Now I've already done this with the buttons, but it's been a while. I forgot how to do it. Let's try something. So what I need to do is we'll print that out, but with the text on it. I'll put the text on it. The text I said we were going to put on it, basically, livery. Is anyone to listen to? Where's all the UK lads gone? No UK. Contests. Maybe I've got to go on to 40 meters to people to chat normal stuff. There's that oscillation again. I think I must have water in the joint outside or something. There's nothing. The aerial's real poor on 40 meters. He's halfway between the channel. Why do they go in between the channel? I suppose there's plenty of space on this 15 metre band. I don't know why they bother going in between the channels, or half megahertz. Oh, right, anyway, so we're going to put in some label. Now, I normally would do this with another tool, but this has its own ability. So, text. Right. We haven't even got a name for this yet. What was that old computer that years ago? Tangerine. Orange tangerine or something. Tambourine. I bet it's nothing like a tambourine. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. Just call it 7 bands. I think they just put the name on it, or the call sign, don't they? Put the call sign on it. It's going to be like to be labelled up as a receive antenna switcher. Receive antenna. And if anyone blows their radio up, they weren't supposed to be transmitting on it. But if they want to transmit on it, not saying it won't, just saying it's designed as a receive antenna. Well, could be anything. Right, anyway, we'll forget about the name for a minute, we'll just put some markings on it. So I think traditionally they say common, don't they? Yeah, it says common on this one, and I've seen common on another one. So if we say common, thickness 2, what's 2? Size 10mm. Oh, it's way too thick. Common, we need to choose a colour. Text gap. Angle. Common. Angle. Don't know angle. Thickness. 2mm, I think is the minimum. Size. Courier new. I don't know. Just leave it in courier new. No, it needs to be a better one than that. What we got here? No. Can I just go down? No, won't let me. It's not as good as some tools. I used to like one called Technic. Technic. You got Technic? Tomoa or Verdana I normally use. Tomoa, Verdana. Much the same. They haven't got Technic, so Tomoa. Right, it needs to be smaller. Common. Right, so I can get rid of the text. Colour, it needs to be in a colour. Alright, I'm stuck now. Forgot how to do it. What's this? Colour painting. Colour painting. Right. Ah, here you go, text. So if I go advanced. Right, it's going to be plate 11. Text. There's your infill. Text. Where's your colour? Oh, filament here. So we can have red or black. Try it in red, I think. Oh, it's not changed. Why not? Why isn't it showing me? Right, so common. It's 2i. It's not really the right one, is it? How did I do it before? I can't remember how I did it now. Oh, that's cutting into it. Right, so we're on this one. Size, thickness. Oh, that's 2 mil. Yeah, we want. We don't want a lot. 0.25 or it's 2. Just the bare minimum, really. Let's say 0.4, just to give it a bit more. It's still too large. Okay, and it's not showing us the colour. Right. Oh, it's not showing us the colour. That's disappeared now. It's disappeared into it. Hang on, undo. Alright, so it's the height, it's gone under. Oh, it's gone to the bottom. Yeah, we need it to stick up. It needs to come on top, so can I position it? I did this before. We don't want to rotate it, we need to lift it. We need to tell it it's up on the model. I need to watch a video, a YouTube video. Move. Oh, hang on. Oh, I can go up. 1.6. 1.6. Okay. Still not there. It's on the bottom still. Yeah, I forgot how to do this. Oh, she's driving everyone at the wall, eh?
Tango 0.
They're booming in. He's booming in these contests as well on 15 metres. Suppose we ought to try and contact one at least. I haven't tuned it on 15 metres, so. Tell you what, let's just go over a bit, find a bit of blank. I can't find any blank, they're covered in it. Right, let's FM. Power down to 5 watts. Let's say 10 watts. Right, and tune. Sorry everyone, tuning. It's only 10 watts. Right, let's have a look. See if your swar is okay. Yeah, swar is good. Right, back onto upper sideband. Turn the amps up. Amps, watts. Put the watts up. Get back onto level. Alright. Let's talk to someone. Who are we going to talk to? No idea.
I got VA3KR Sheriff on that K.
Oh, he was on.
9 Alpha 3 Texas radio.
He's in the middle of something.
Yankee.
Oh, he seems calm.
Whiskey 9 Bravo Kilo 59 Kilo.
Right, let's just shut this other one up a minute. Get QRZ.
9 Alpha 0 Yankee. Contest 9 Alpha 0 Yankee, 9 America 0 Yankee.
9 America. Let's find out where he is before we talk to him. Try and talk to him. Right, let's at least find out where he is. Where's the QRZ page?
0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee.
So 9
9 at Alpha, 0 Yankee, 9 at Alpha, 0 Yankee.
9L Alpha.
Contest 9 Alpha, 0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee.
9 America 0 Yankee. Okay, Croatian. Dial Croatian Amateur Radio Association. Okay. Right. Let's give him a
9
shot.
Alpha, 0 Yankee, contest. Contest 9 Alpha, 0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee.
Golf 7 Uniform India Victor.
Alpha, 0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee, contest.
Golf 7 Uniform India Victor.
Golf 7, only US and Canada, 9 Alpha, 0 Yankee, contest.
Oh, sorry.
Contest 9 Alpha, 0
He doesn't
Yankee,
want
9
me.
Alpha, 0 Yankee.
He wants Canada and America. Sorry.
Contest 9 Alpha, 0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee.
Dear me.
Contest 9
Too
Alpha,
close.
0 Yankee, 9 America, 0 Yankee. Again. Whiskey 3.
Whiskey 3. Yeah, they don't want us.
5 9 kilo.
Never mind, eh?
Kilo. Hotel America 8 Foxtrot Kilo, contest.
They don't want the UK. They can get UK any time of the day. They don't want. They want to go a bit further around the world.
5-9 November Sugar.
Thank you for November Sugar for your 591.
Oh, is that a...
Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Oh, we've got someone in America on here, probably.
Again?
VK. No? Yeah.
Oscar November 3 Hotel Alpha Tango 5-9 November Sugar. Thanks. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Contest. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango. Victor Alpha 1
Kevin.
Echo Echo Tango. CQ contest.
Nova Scotia,
contest.
Canada.
Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango. Victor Alpha 1.
What is he? Is,
Contest. CQ contest.
Oh,
Victor Alpha 1
we'll talk
Echo
to
Echo
Canada.
Tango. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
will he shout at me and say I don't want the UK? Let's give him a try.
One Uniform Victor November 5-9 November Sugar. Thank you. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Golf 7 Uniform India Victor.
Contest CQ contest. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Golf 7 Uniform India Victor.
Golf 7 Uniform India Victor 5-9 November Sugar.
Yeah, you're also fine at 5973.
73 Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
That's all you get to say. Right, we better log Kevin Stockton. Nova Scotia, Canada. Very good. Licensed a couple of years ago. Arkansas. Right, so log a new contact. Well, at least it still works on this. 15's okay, 20's okay, 40 metres no good. So 15, 182 megahertz, 100 watts, 5959. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, conditions are good at the minute on that band. He's gone dead. Must have killed him. Right. Anyone else? Is there anyone else? Don't want the UK. I'm doing a contest. I'm trying to get America and Canada. I don't want UKGB.
Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango. Victor Alpha 1 Echo Echo Tango.
Oh, that's him again. He's moved. He's changed frequency. I scared him off.
It is closed. Go ahead. That's great. Well, thanks for the contact, and hopefully we'll work on 20 either later tonight, your time, or tomorrow. I know, I've got a lot of cities to visit. Anyway, well, great to hear you, Oscar. I'm glad you're enjoying the hobby and doing so well. 73 from Maryland, and talk soon.
Maryland.
Okay. It's been a hobby of mine since I was about, I'm
Knee eye to the grasshopper.
now. I've been contesting contesting non-seriously since I was in my 20s, and seriously since I was in my 30s and 40s, so it's been a great time.
I don't know. Well, at least he's talking, I suppose.
That'd be great, Oscar. I'd like to see him. 73, and I'll hope that Sugar Queen 2 Hotel Zulu calls in. 73. QRZ, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
X-Ray 3 Bravo. Contest?
Marion Station, Kingsby Drive. Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Thank you, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Let's give him a call.
6 Charlie Bravo, 59 Mike Delta. Charlie Hotel Alpha 6 something. Charlie 4 Echo. How about Hotel? Is it Delta Alpha 6 Charlie Bravo?
Delta after. Oh, God, it's getting through.
CB, you're 59 Mike Delta. Are you running? Is it 100? Okay, 61. Got it. Thank you. Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Golf 7, Uniform India Victor.
Sugar 2 Lima Zulu, 59 Mike Delta. Okay, sorry, Sugar Queen 2 Hotel Zulu, 59 Mike Delta. Thank you very much. 9 Hotel 1 Papa Fox, are you on frequency? Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Well, he's a bit busy, so let's just let him carry on.
X-Ray 3 Bravo. QRZ, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Oh, I don't know if I can be bothered.
Contest, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo. Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo. CQ contest, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo. Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Golf 7, Uniform India Victor.
Victor uniform?
Yeah, Golf 7, Uniform India Victor.
Is it Victor uniform 29 Alpha Radio?
Negative. Golf 7, Uniform India Victor. Uniform India Victor.
Thanks, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
Negative, no contact.
Again? CQ contest, Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo. Whiskey X-Ray 3 Bravo.
I need an ACOM amplifier, I think.
Golf Whiskey
Or a decent antenna, probably.
Kilo 2 Lima November Sierra 59500.
Thank you, stateside. Echo uniform 4 Echo. Echo uniform 4 Echo.
Anyway, what was I doing? I can't remember.
Thank you, stateside.
Oh yeah,
Echo
text.
uniform 4 Echo. Echo uniform 4
So we're on the floor. Ah, we've got the Z is 1. Ah, that's why. Z can't be 1. What happened to it? It's got to be up in the air.
Number 2 Alpha.
Right, let's try it. Let's make it 2.
Echo 2 Alpha 59500.
No, it's gone back to 0 again. World coordinates, object coordinates.
Echo United 4 Echo contest.
Alright, so object coordinates, okay, let's say 1.6.
Echo United 4 Echo.
That's going back to nothing. World coordinates, align plate.
Echo United 4 Echo. Contest.
Align left, right.
Echo United 4 Echo. Contest.
Left mouse, keep hold down.
Echo United 4 Echo. Contest.
Right, X and Y.
Echo
Z. Won't let me alter Z.
Echo Uniform 4
So you've got to do it in a certain way, and I can't remember how to do it now.
Number 3 again.
Let's ask good old ChatGPT what we need to do.
Alpha 3 Charlie.
Good old ChatGPT. We ask him when we want to. We don't want to be told anything until we ask. Bamboo Studio.
Victor Alpha 3 Charlie.
I have a STL file on a plate. I want to add text to the surface,
November 1 Delta Radio Sugar 59500.
but the text goes to the bottom.
Echo Oscar Echo again.
Text often drops to the build plate Z instead of
Kilo 1 Echo Oscar Echo
needs the
59500.
project to you need to project or place the text onto the model. Here's the common thing.
Kilo 1
Select
Echo
your model,
Oscar
click
Echo
text in the top toolbar,
59500.
type the text, drag the text onto the model surface. In the text settings, turn on surface, on face or emboss. Wording may be varying versions. In the text setting, this makes the text flow the model instead of the sitting on the plate. Change the Z height manually. I tried changing the Z height manually, that didn't work. Use Boolean operators. Oh, union subtraction. Yeah, I remember this. Something like that I had to do, I remember. So we've got the text. It doesn't let me do it, so I think it's in the advanced section. Where do we look?
Victor Alpha 2 Golf Kilo 59500.
Right, height, quality, strength,
Victor Alpha 2 Golf Kilo QCell.
support, other, bed edition,
Victor Alpha 2 Golf
slicing,
Golf Kilo, it is Roger.
QCell Echo Uniform 4 Echo.
don't know.
7 Oscar
Echo
Oscar
United
Romeo
4
G0
Echo.
KSV, also margin 28577.
Echo
Global,
United 4 Echo. Contest.
precision,
Echo
advanced.
United 4 Echo.
I can't remember how to do it now. Vaguely something around here. Objects. So it's already an object.
Kilo question mark again, please.
Oh, somewhere here. Somewhere here, is it? Subdivision, yeah, here, somewhere here. Centre, align.
Again.
Align.
Echo United 4,
Top.
Echo, contest.
Line top, bottom, centre.
Echo United
Align
4,
top
Echo,
plus Z.
Echo United 4, Echo, contest.
Alright, is that it? No, it's disappeared again.
Stateside, Echo Uniform 4, Echo. Echo Uniform 4,
It's disappeared. Alright, where's the text gone?
Echo Uniform 4, Echo. Echo Uniform 4, Echo.
I've lost the text now. Oh, I've got to select it there.
Stateside, Echo Uniform 4, Echo.
Oh, just about to see it.
Uniform 4, Echo.
That's underneath, see, it's still underneath. Right, so I'm on there, so I go like that. Centre, align, add part, edit text. I forgot how to do it already. Can you believe that? I forgot how to do it already. So you got your text here, text shape, colour fill, assembly view. Is it assembly view? Bounding box is too large. No, it's not assembly view. Return. So it's there, but right. So there's the text, thickness, text gap angle, size. So we've got it all there, but
Sierra Papa 8 radio. CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
right.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
God, I wish I had a memory. I couldn't. I only did it a few months ago.
Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
Did I record it? I probably didn't record that.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
Compare presets. Advanced.
Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
Right.
Contest, Sugar Queen 8, November, Oscar Delta.
Rotate the camera and drag the text directly onto the face of the model, but usually snap it to the surface. Send a screenshot of your plate. Union, subtract negative, no. Change the Z height manually. Increase the Z value until it reaches the surface of the model. I tried that, it won't let you adjust it. It just keeps saying hang on, that's the text. I need to know something else. I need it. Lay on face. Lay on face. Convex hull, triangular facet. Alright, that's weird. Still underneath. Scale, rotate, move, cut. So the move will give me the position. Align the plates, hold down control, click the left button, select them up, hold down. Object coordinates. Alright, so plus 1.6 goes back to 0 again. It's not locked. What's this? Click the icon to toggle printable properties of the object.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Brim type, purge, special mode,
November Oscar Delta.
interlock depth of segment.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8,
Fill bed with copies. Mesh boolean.
Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Align distribute, right, center, split.
CQ contest,
Add part. Oh, is this it? Add part.
Oscar Delta.
No.
CQ contest, Sugar
Height
Queen
range
8,
modifier.
November Oscar Delta.
Edit process settings.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen
Edit
8,
and params
November
table.
Oscar Delta.
Change filament.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
There you go. Let's just go up a bit.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Change the filament.
CQ contest. CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8,
High temperature and low temperature
Oscar
filaments.
Delta.
Oh, that's not PLA anymore.
CQ contest.
I've changed it to it's
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
yeah, delete.
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Alright, here it is. That's the one. I've changed
CQ
it.
contest, Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Right, where's my actuator gone now? Because that's gone the wrong colour.
Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar
It's
Delta.
gone, hasn't it? I'll not print the actuator.
Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Where's it gone? Oh, there it is.
Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Alright, they've all gone white.
09, Austin, Mexico, 590, 100.
So it's plate 5.
Florida? Fox Lima, okay.
Hang on, I've got to change it to
CQ contest, Sugar Queen 8, November
oh,
Oscar
the,
Delta.
this one, the list.
CQ
So
contest,
plate
Sugar
5.
Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Colour is
CQ contest, Sugar
that
Queen
one.
8, November Oscar
Oh, I've got to do this loads of times now.
CQ contest,
What a shame.
Sugar Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
I've already printed them off. It's just I've changed the filament from PLA red to ABS red.
Queen 8, November Oscar Delta.
Oh, we've only got a few more left. Alright, so they should be all, yeah, they're all done. So if I go down to text here. Alright, that needs to be red. That's it, red. Wall loops, layer height. Outer wall, yes, none of it's there. Right, let's go back to this one. Right, so we've got a panel, but the text is on the bottom. There's the text. So it is in red though this time. It's in red, but it's on the... Oh, don't move that. It's on the bottom. We need it to go on the top. So I need to select it and somehow bring it up the top. It's not as easy. You have to do something with it. I vaguely remember something over here. Split two parts. Split two objects. Brim ears. I think it was split two objects. Right, what's it done now? Oh, it's made. Now let's undo split two objects. Why have I still got them? Oh, that's better. Right, so it's there. That's changed its colour again now. It's come back again. But it's gone to objects. Why has it done that? Let's go back. Change it to... Right, it is red still. Let's try again. Okay. That's not changed it to... Oh, it has. Oh, it has. I keep moving it. Right, now I've got to make it go up. It's got to make it come to the surface. So... Position again. Scale. Rotate. Cut. Lay on the face. Convex hull, triangular facet. Still on the bottom. What else we got here? Supports, painting, seam painting, brim ears, for split to object, split to parts, measure. Right, so we've got cut, scale, rotate, move. So it's on 1 there. Why is it on 1? So it's starting from 1. I want that to be, I'll just say 1. That puts it back to 0. Align the plate. Hang on. So you've got align left, right, centre, align the front, back. Right, so change this to object coordinates. .6. Goes back to, immediately goes back to, that. So world coordinates. Yeah, it's not going to do it that way. I need to try and remember how I did it. What's that thing? Compare presets. So I'm on global. We're on objects, yeah. Outside. What's this? Outside. Select all. Right. Show Unicode. No. Okay. We're still stuck then. So method change the Z height. The Z is stuck at the bottom. I cannot increase the Z value at method 2. The value just returns back to 0.01. What time we got now? Oh god, it's late. Yeah, it's late now. I'm gonna have to stop it in a minute. The Z value snaps back to, it usually means the text object is auto dropping to the build plate because the slicer thinks it's a separate part that must stay on the plate. Here are the fixes. Disable drop to bed. Select text objects. Look in the move tool panel. Uncheck drop to bed. I don't think we've got that. We haven't got that on here. Uncheck drop to bed. Text objects. Move tool. We haven't got a drop to bed. Align the plate. No, we haven't got it. What else? Make the text Make the text a part of the model. If it's a separate object, keeps forcing it to the plate. Select both the model and the text. Right click, assemble or merge the parts. Now move the text in Z. Okay, we'll try that. Right, so we've got that bit, and so if I select both of those, right click, merge the part. I think this was where I did it last time. Right, and now I can select the text and bring it up to move it up. Actually, yeah, it showed me something else there. 1.8. Ah, there we go. Right, it's there, but I can't see it. Why can I not see it? It's 1.6 mil thick, that is. Yeah, it's still a bit low. That's weird. Right, so text. Thickness. Let's make it a bit thicker then. Let's try 1 mil. Ah, you can see the red now. So it doesn't need to be 1 mil thick. It needs to be, I don't know, 0.6. No, maybe 0.4 was okay. It just wasn't high enough. So it needs to go higher. 1.6. Ah, there we go. Right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. So we need to grab hold of that and just bring it down, move it. No, move it. Oh, I've got to move it manually, have I? Have I got to move it manually, or can I click on it? I've merged them, haven't I? That's why. Yeah, I've merged them. So I'll have to move it manually now. That's a pain. Move. Can I not grab it? Right, so I'll move it Y. Okay, so let's move it, I don't know, 20. Too much. That's, how far back? Say 3 mil. So let's put it back, let's make that 9. Bit more. 20. Between the screws, maybe. 22. Too much. This is painful, isn't it? 21. Alright, so we've got 21, we've just got enough to see it. Common. It's a little bit high still. Let's go a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, what's that like? Not too good. Alright, so I need to come back a bit. So 21.995. Didn't really move. 7. Oh, that moved a little bit. Okay, so we've got the common. So if we pretend we're going to slice that up, see if it actually comes out. Yeah, it's got it there. It's doing a bit of a transition. Oh, it thinks it's within. Should just write it on the thing. shouldn't be with it. Shouldn't be out of it. Maybe it's not thick enough. Right. Okay. Prepare. So maybe we're not sticking up enough, or maybe it is. So I could print that out now. Let's see. It'll just say common on it. It'll be a bit of a waste of plastic. I suppose I should put some more on really to try it. But what if it comes out rubbish? Right, let's just see what's going on with the print. Right, let's go have a look at the thing that we've already got printing. 41 minutes left, right, okay. Anyway, I've got to end it there because it's 5:30 on a Saturday. So I'll try the blades out. It'll be tomorrow morning now, probably, next one. So this will be finished, and I'll try and print the lid, and I'll carry on with all this stuff, livery. Try and put some nice lines on it as well, so it looks something like, and maybe some names. Yeah. Anyway, that's gonna have to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's go over to the thumbnail again. So, yeah, we're making the cutter. We've gone a bit extra, and we're doing the nice livery on it. See if it comes out okay. I have to increase the size if it's too small. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Catch you later. Bye bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler. Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.